on this first road trip, heading upstate, way upstate New York, with the man, the OC. Check him out. There he is, in the lifted excursion, doing it. It's raining cats and dogs right now. Let me let him get up ahead so I can show you his big rig. Yeah, there he is. The OC. That's Overland Charlie right there. Yeah, boy. All right. Look who's with me. My co-pilot. Yeah, Hewy boy. Hewy boy. He don't do too well in the car, so he gets queasy. We didn't feed him yet. He's got to wait till we stop. Right, boy? You good, boy? Yeah, he's not happy. All right, y'all. Can't wait till we get up to these mountains and these campsites. Woo, it's coming down. Van Tails is doing good. It's fully loaded, packed. I gotta organize all my crap. Yeah, excited. Oh, that's freaking beautiful, man. That's freaking amazing. Yep. Hewy loves it. He needed that. Oh man. Look at that fog in there too. I'm like a kid in a candy shop. Yeehaw! OC, that's the OC right there. The man, OC. That's right.
We're out here in Catterscope.
We're here. What is it?
Catterscope Hall.
Oh, pee-pee break. Come on, get it, Hewy boy. Where's he at? He's matching his papa, right? We got the matching vests. OC is the outdoorsman. Look at this guy in his shorts and those diesel legs.
Shorts and a hoodie. I don't know how that works. But...
Most water I've ever seen. Wow, that's gorgeous. Hear nature roar. Yo, we here, man. We're doing it. Look at that.
Yo, but the amount of water coming down is insane.
Hunter Mountain. Well, the passing of it. Yeah. Beautiful. We're in the forest, baby. Oh yeah, a little off-road here. It's gorgeous.
I gotta get shocks after this trip, because my shocks are like blown.
Woo-wee. Hewy don't like the car so much. He's not having the best day, right? And it's been raining and wet. He got wet, he dried up, he's a dirty mess, he's stinky, but that's all right. That's my boy. I love him so much, I got used to the funk. Ever happen to you guys? So here we are. Didn't expect to be doing off-road today, but we're off-roading. We're in the middle of the thick of it right here. You can see my reverse camera. We just went through that puddle and all these holes. And the man, OC here, he's getting the drone out. We're getting some epic footage. And I was telling him earlier, driving off-road is like us driving at home in New York. Like, we from the city, is Paho Central, like the BQE or the LIE. That's our off-road. So at least here we have the beauty of nature to look at, not the concrete jungle, right? This forest is just gorgeous, man. Look at that. It's thick. So awesome. All right, let's see how this next path goes. Off-roading it. Woo! Ooh, baby, baby. Baby, baby. What? Oh. Van Towns is getting a workout. Holy crap, look what's up ahead. Yo. Wow.
I don't know about you, but I am loving this trail.
I got OC on the walkie talking to us. Holy crap. So
Rear doors open towards your rear door.
that might work. We just got to our campsite. We're seeing what's the best way to set up shop. So Van Tails, we leveled her or him on a rock, and look what we're under to protect us from the rain. Sick. This is like dope little camp spot. And thanks to the man OC here, Overland Charlie, he leveled my van. Woo! He leveled my van perfectly. Watch this. With this rock right here, and then we got that rock back there.
Pretty level.
It took us took me 3 times to get onto this rock, but we're looking good. We did a little overlanding on some trails, bombing, got the van nice and dirty, and this is our spot with a view that's through there where it's a cliff. Amazing. But the weather right now, that camp spot, the wind is so gnarly and the rain, we decided to come over here. So here comes OC pulling into his spot, and then once we open our awnings, we'll have some nice coverage. There you go, OC. Yeah, sick. We got fire going. Sweet. Built a little OCs over there, splitting wood. I built this little stone firewall for the fire pit. Look at that.
2 engineers here.
Yeah.
We got the engineer.
I mean, hey, check out our campsite. Boom. His awning's going. The bat wing is out. Hewy's in there, miserable. He's not feeling it. I mean, what are you gonna do in this weather, right?
It's not too bad out now. Let's hope it stays like this.
OC says it's not too bad out. Yeah, there's more coming. This is bad to me. But we're enjoying the great outdoors. Now with the fire going, this is good.
That'll burn for a good little while.
Yeah, baby. How we doing here? Oh, there we go. Sweet. Good morning. First time waking up in this van. It's cold in here. We're at the campsite. Hewy boy's cold. I'm warming up this van to turn on the heat because it's a mess in here and I can't get to my propane heater. I slept somewhat. Hewy kept me up. He was tossing and turning. I gotta get this van organized for both of us. But not bad. It's cold out there. It feels like 30 something. Nice little morning.
You have a different song?
Got the fire cracking. Got some coffee going. OC is over there. What up, OC? Playing some nice alternative tunes from back in the days. My young fella here likes alternative tunes from the 90s.
Green Day, baby. I just saw Green Day last summer, too.
Yeah, we're gonna show you that in a minute. That opening and overlook. Good thing we didn't camp over there. Down there last night, the wind and the rain was whipping like a beast. Awesome. Van Tails did good. I had just cleaned her yesterday, or the day before, sorry. And look how dirty she got overlanded on those trails. I'm proud to have gotten her dirty. Woohoo! Yeah. Let's show you again. This little leveling rock we did over there. Worked out good. Oh yeah. Doing it. Tower's still there. Alright, we're packing up camp. Still pretty early. It's like 8:30 a.m. I just watered out the fire. We're good. We'll leave this little stone build for someone else. Getting the awning down to dry out. And we'll hit the road. OC's doing his thing, packing up. I'll check out that view. Another view of camp. Look at that. That fire tower is sick. There's no stairs to be able to get up to here. They took them out. It's not operational. But our vehicles look awesome from here. So this looks like to be another trail. So I started walking down here and look what I found. Some makeshift ladder. It's crazy. Big trail down here. This is definitely some off-roading stuff. And this is getting deep, thick into the woods. Now I heard some kind of animal, not sure what that was. Yeah, let's go explore a little, check this out. So it's June 1st, and look how I'm dressed. It's cold. Whew. This was a nice introduction to camping for Van Tails. Oh man, look at it. Beautiful. For those that love lifted vans, baby. Woohoo! OC's saying hello over there. Wow. Man. Let's keep checking this out. It's a beautiful spot. We're in upstate New York. Powder or something, or Gilboa. We're near all that. It's like yesterday we were at Cat or something Falls. Today we're here. We're about to leave. So I just wanted to come down here and check this out. Wow, this trail really goes deep. This is amazing. Holy smokes. Look how the van's all the way boop This way. I gotta learn my angles. Right there. Wow. This is something else. In the woods. Like, that's a hike. It's awesome. Alright. I'm wondering if I should keep going or not. Let's go. Stay tuned to the next episode. Well, alright, we're leaving the campsite, going through these trails. Such an awesome sight. Wow, we bombing down this one. This one ain't so bad. Look at these beautiful trees. I had to pull over. The OC started bleeding. He flew the drone into his hand. So he's got to mend his wound right now, which is a little gnarly. I've been watching him land it on his hand like this, so he must have, I don't know, did something. Yikes. All right, look at my co-pilot. He's chilling. Hewy boy. Yeah, he's not feeling it. Hewy, what's the matter, Poppy? What are you staring at? Good boy, eh? Oh, that's my sweet boy. Yes? We both stink. He stinks from getting wet and drying like a couple of times. Yeah, but he's still a good boy, right? I love you. We just came out of the Overlanding roads and we bombed down this hill. It's beautiful. But this is very scenic. Just wanted to capture a quick shot. This beautiful forest. My gosh. This has been something else here. Wow, look at that opening of those mountains. That is beautiful. Holy crap, I couldn't get it. But we just look at that tree down. It's being held by another tree. We just went under that. That's crazy. Holy cow. Oh, it looks like there's a cemetery here too. Wow. Man, it's a cemetery. People put flags for their loved ones. This is something else. This is so beautiful. There's been a few of these. I just had to get a quick shot. Wow. Yo, we here. This is the cutest little town. Look at this little place. Yeah. Just gonna try this diner and see how the coffee is, because the coffee I made this morning was Hewy, what's up, boy? You eating grass? Look at this. We got this little, we just off the side of the road here. Little setup. Let this boy some grass. What we got here? OC's over here setting up. He's filming me, I'm filming him. Setting up the kitchen on his excursion. Nice, look at this. Look at, that's his bed in there. You know? He's got his little house. This little setup's locked, but this is like recovery gear, something else. Got the little fridge. Got the baby jackery. Yeah, man. The bumper holds the can. And here we stop to make some breakfast. These beautiful little rapids. Kiwi's gonna try to come down, but he's too busy eating grass, which I don't like him doing. But he don't listen, right? You gotta stay there, boy. Sweet. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, this is so awesome. Thank you, God, for creating this. Wow. Oh yeah. I'm a little chilly. That's all right. Rapids sound great. Here. Yeah, I like that he goes in now, but I don't want him wet yet. Good boy.
Yeah, he likes it here. He got all excited on
Here. Good boy. We came to another little camp spot, a little pond right here. Look at that little picnic area. Pulled right in from the road. Sick.